Everyone, welcome to my channel Education Network. Today we are going to study the fifth lesson of history, mass media and history. Our today's topic is television. Why do we need mass media? Critical understanding of information received through mass media and professional opportunity. Television is also known as TV, and the word television comes from tele, Greek for away, and vision, sight. Let's move ahead to the point television. As we know, all television. The television, the Delhi Doordarshan Center was inaugurated by Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the first Indian president. Doordarshan's Mumbai Center began to telecast its program on 1st May 1972. Underline it that Doordarshan's Mumbai Center began to telecast its program on 1st May 1972. After that, color television was introduced on the 15th August 1982, and in 1991 the Indian government granted permission to the private national and international channels to telecast in India. Thus, it became possible for Indians to watch the international event on television. Okay. After that, see that point. Why do we need mass media? It is the mass media. It is the today's need. We need mass media to facilitate the free flow of information to all strata of the society. We can get the information from all the strata of the society through the mass media. Editorial, various columns, supplements are essential part of newspaper. Readers are also ensured of a platform to voice their opinions. Newspaper can help in making the democracy stronger. Television is an audio visual medium. It was possible for this medium to cross the inherent limitation of newspapers and radio and show the actual visual or an event to the people. We get the information from the newspaper about the editorial, various columns and supplements of essential parts of the newspaper. But on the television, we can see audio visual medium. We can see the actual visual of event to the people. So far, there is no other alternative to television for watching an event as it actually happened. See that next point. Critical understanding of information received through mass media. We see that on the various channel, the same news was provided, and we can see in the various channel the changes of that news, same news, how they um, how they provide this news. Any information received through the mass media needs to be reviewed critically. So that news we are received that need to be revived critically. The news or information in the media may not always represent exact truth. We need to scan it very carefully. There is a very famous event of unauthentic information appearing in print in Germany. Stern, a German weekly magazine, had purchased a number of so called handwritten diaries of Adolf Hitler. It sold them to various publication companies. The diaries were verified for their authenticity and subsequently the news appeared in the print. However, later those diaries were provided to be forged. It becomes apparent from this example that we need to be very careful about the information published by the media. Means we have seen that there is given one example of the Adolf Hitler. Adolf Hitler personal diary, handwritten diaries were published in the various companies. It sold them to the various publication companies, and the diaries were verified for their authenticity, and subsequently the news appeared in the print also. However, later those diaries were proved to be forged. It became apparent from the example that we need to be very careful about the information published by the media. Next, see that mass media and professional opportunity. How can we get the professional opportunity to that mass media that we are going to see? Newspaper have to fulfill the task of providing fresh news to its readers. As we know that newspaper always provide us fresh news to its reader. It is a very necessary to unfold the background of an event in the news. At such times, newspaper have to resort to history. While reporting news in detail, reporters try to compare it with the parallel events which happened in the past. The past event may be printed in a separate frame. Thus, the reader gets access to additional information and he can get the better insight about the current news. Newspaper print columns about historical information appearing under the headlines such as 50 years ago or 100 years ago, etc. Such columns are based on historical document or written history. This column provide historical information about economic, social, political events in the past and also event of historical significance. I hope you understand all this topic and you read that lesson each point, and after that you can took out the important point from that lesson. So like and subscribe my channel Educational Network. I will give you homework through the WhatsApp and Google Classroom. The code is given below. Thank you.